Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add border to the pages of MS Word document. This is my MS Word document and I have some content and pages in this document. Now I want border to all the pages of this document. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell notification to get notification on further tutorials and updates. Let's begin. Go to the insert, click on header, then click on pictures. Select the border which you want on your pages, then click on insert. Then click on this layout option, select behind the text option, drag the border to all the sides of the page. After setting the border to all the sides of the page, click outside the page, then you will see border has been applied to the pages of this MS Word document. Like this, we can add borders to the pages of MS Word document. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.